so many times I just think I can just give up. But I can't, you know. Here's the strength. I don't even know how I made it through till I had him. He saved me. He saved me. Just to be asked, are you okay? Is it's hard out there, bro. Trying to be a good dad. Such a struggle trying to just show him the right way. Like I've been through so much, man, but like I wouldn't change anything because I got him right at the end, you know. Like I'm 44 now. I didn't have him until I was 39. You know, I just want him to just grow up and be just a healthy boy. Who knows? He could be anything. I just tell him that, try your best. That's all you can do. My only wish is it had happened sooner. Who knows? You know, like I wasted a lot of life. I wasted a lot of my life. Just from being able to give to him, you know. Like he asked me a million questions and everyone, I really did want to answer, you know, like I know he's just trying to learn and like if I can somehow figure out a way just to be here for him, you know what I mean?